Huawei may not launch any new smartphones at MWC 2018, but the company is holding a press event tomorrow. Initial rumors suggested that the company would launch its flagship P20 series of smartphones at MWC, but that is not the case. The Chinese manufacturer is rather expected to launch a new MediaPad tablet at tomorrow's event. Going by recent leaks, dubbed as Huawei MediaPad M5, the tablet will come in two variants, based on display sizes. There will be an 8.4-inch variant and a 10-inch variant. The 10-inch model of the MediaPad M5 will reportedly arrive with more powerful specs than the smaller variant. Well, the entire specs sheet of the 10-inch model is now out, revealing what it will offer. As per WinFuture, the MediaPad M5 is fitted with a 10.8-inch LCD display, with a screen resolution of 2560 x 1080 pixels. Under the hood, it makes use of an in-house Kirin 960 processor. The memory aspect is taken care of by 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. On the optics front, the tablet is said to flaunt a 13MP rear camera, which doesn't come with the LED flash unfortunately. Up front, there is an 8MP sensor for selfies and video calls. While the battery capacity of the device is not given, the battery is claimed to last for up to 29 hours on a single charge. Interestingly, the MediaPad M5 10-inch model is equipped with a fingerprint scanner and Harman Kardon speakers on board. As for software, it will ship with Android 7.0 Nougat out of the box. The MediaPad M5 10-inch model is expected to carry a starting price tag of €399. Besides this, Huawei is also expected to launch a Pro version of the 10-inch model. It is said to feature 64 GB of default storage, LTE connectivity, and a stylus called M Pen. And the Pro variant could cost a little under €500.